Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change capital letters to lowercase in Excel. Let's get started. To change capital letters in a cell to lowercase, begin by selecting the cell. Then type the equal sign and start entering the lower function. Select the suggestion and proceed by specifying the cell containing the text you'd like to convert to lowercase. For instance, if the text is in cell B2, click on B2. Close the bracket. Press Enter. All text converted to lowercase. If necessary, you can copy the function by dragging and dropping it into the remaining rows to convert all data to lowercase. Now, any changes made in the source cell will reflect in the converted text. This is because we used a function to convert the text to lowercase, which is visible when clicking into cell C2. But what if we only need to store the values, the converted text, without the function in the data table? That's easy to do. Select the converted data, then use Ctrl+C to copy the cell contents. Next, use Paste at the top, but ensure you select the Values option. This ensures that all cells only contain the converted text. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.